Good morning, Vandandal. I am Sasikala from Computer Science Department. Today I discuss about the data structure where we have a core paper for UG students. First of all, we have to know about the data structure. It is nothing but a organized format of the data where we store the data in a system. It stores as a organized format. We didn't know how it is used to store. So for our benefit and our usage, it is structured as some format. So it is defined as a specialized format of organizing, processing and retrieving of storing data where it is used to store in the memory. Here there are a lot of data structure concepts in data structure. We are going to discuss where these data structures are used in a real time management. So in a real time in real life implementation, there are lot of things we are daily using the data structure without knowing the clear idea of the data structure. So here we discuss about 9 concepts of data structure where we are using in a daily life. So first one, array, string, stack, queue, linked list, tree, heap, graph and dequeuing. What is meant by array? Array is nothing but a sequential allocation of memory where we use a name. We are using a name. It is defined as a string data type. We need a memory to allocate a string. So we need a sequence of memory. One memory is divided into number of compartments, that is called as array. It is named as the indexing from 0 to where we have to store the elements, how many elements we have to store. It is named as the indexing, example A0, A1, A2, A3, that's it. So in data structure, the array is act as where we are using mobile phones daily, where we are storing a context. It is stored in a alphabetical order. That is one type of array in a real life. So we are using pictures, whereas it may be a 2D pictures or whatever it is. In a 2D pictures or any picture, it is defined as the rows and columns where the concept is implemented using the array. Then nowadays many students are playing games. The game in a game board, it is defined as scores. How they are implementing, how they are go to the next level. Based on the scores, the implementation and the scores are stored. So that in that process, the array is the main part of the main concept. So it is stored in a descending order. Descending order means how the recent one is stored, recent one is played, and the next level it is going on. So next one is string. Already I specified about the string where it is stored in a array format. So string is nothing but we are daily using the spam messages where we are receiving in the email. The spam messages, it is not clearly known about the user, where it is default, it is stored in the spam. So then it is important where we using in a research center, researchers plagiarism checking. Plagiarism, we are well about the plagiarism detectors where the repetitions of theses or repetitions of lines are detected or not. In that concept, the string data structure concept is used. The next one is spell check. It is important in Microsoft. We are using a Microsoft Office where we have a spell checks. So in that concept also, the string in data structure are used. Then these concepts are, without these concepts, stack is data structure is nothing. The important concept is stack. What is meant by stacks? Last in first out is the main concept. It is the technique for stack. For example, arranging the plates where we have the first one is kept, next one. So the line is going on while we taking who is put the plate in a first order, in a last order it is taken first. So it is defined as a last in first out. So who is kept in the first, last one, it is taken as the first. For example, now the photo in a gallery, many photos are stored, but recently stored one is we have to view recently. So only the stack is used in the gallery, and also the history visited. listed page where we browse, while we are browsing, it shows the recently viewed pages in a history. The first viewed pages shows in the last. So that is called as last in first out technique. Next one is queue, first in first out, where we are in a queue in theatre or many places. Who goes to occupy the first space, they have to go for the first one. So it is called as first in first out, sending an email or buying a tickets, etc. Linked list, it is nothing but we are generally using web pages. In web pages there are many hyperlinks. While we browsing some pages, there is some hyperlink. We have while we concentrate on that hyperlink, we just click, it goes to the next page. There also it is there is a hyperlink, we go to that page. So this type of linking is called linked list. It is mainly used in the web pages where we describe the hyperlinks. So URLs in music player also they use the linked list. Then goes to tree. Tree is it is used mainly for decision making, whether it is true or false. It is mainly used for true or false value or taking the decisions whether it is correct or not. For example, while we storing the file in a system, it shows the path where it is stored. For example, it is stored in the C:, drive means C:, next where it is stored in the folder, then folder, next file name dot extension. So this type of arrangements is called the tree arrangement. We define as this tree arrangements. Next one is heap. Heap is nothing but it is similar to tree. There is a two type of heap they represented, minimum heap, maximum heap, where it is used to sort the elements based on the priority basis. Next one is graph. It is play a vital role in nowadays where we are using the social media. We know friend about friend, friend of friend, that concept. So in Facebook or Insta or in GPS navigator, the graph is shown. While we browsing the one particular ID, their friends are also invited, so we follow that link. So this type of link shows the graph process in a data structure. Dequeuing is nothing, while we manage the queue, it have to delete, it have to refresh, it has to flush the memory. So we use the dequeue. So dequeue is nothing but the stack and queue, where it is mainly occupied in the queue process. It performs the same as stack and queue. Thank you.